Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful floral motif named Petite floral motif, and this is made with two colors and very few rounds, and small pieces can be made and combined together to form a very big project. And if you work this flower motif in very thin yarns, fingering yarns, it can be used as appliques for your wearables. So let us go into the video immediately without much delay. Make a magic circle, and instead you can make chain 4 and slip stitch to the first chain to join, make a circle. That too it's okay. So now chain 4 and a treble in the magic ring. This is the first cluster. Chain 3, sorry I made 4. Now 2 treble cluster, chain 3 7 times. For 2 treble cluster, yarn over twice, insert the hook in the stitch or the space indicated, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over twice, insert the hook, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 2 times, and now yarn over, pull through all 3 and chain 3. This you have to do, you have to make 7 times. 1, 2 and 3. So 7 times 2 treble cluster, chain 3. You make 7 times. I shall also make and get back to you. I have repeated 2 treble cluster 7 times, 2 treble cluster, chain 3 7 times, and now slip stitch to the 4th chain of the first 4 chains. Pull through and fasten off. This is okay, this won't be visible in the pattern. I shall be back with the second color and begin the pattern again. With color B, slip stitch and join in any chain 3 space and make a single crochet in the same chain space. Let me join in another space. And a single crochet in the same space. Chain 5, single crochet in the next chain space. So this is the stitch repeat here. Chain 5, single crochet in the next. So place 1 single crochet in each of the chain 3 spaces separated by chain 5. I shall meet you in the beginning of the round. Slip stitch and join to the first single crochet here. And slip stitch into next 3 chains of the chain 5 space. Now chain 4, this counts as 1 DC chain 1, otherwise you can make a double crochet, twisted double crochet here and chain 1. Place a stitch marker in the very first stitch here. Then 1 cluster, chain 1 5 times in the next chain 5 space. So the cluster is 2 treble clusters together. 2 treble cluster. So cluster chain 1, cluster chain 1 5 times in the next chain 5 space. I shall complete and get back to you. So DC in the next chain 5 space. Repeat the set of instructions. The cluster chain 1 5 times in the next chain 5 space, and DC in the next chain 5 space, chain 1, and continue. This repeats till the end of this round. Two more times you have to place this. So I shall also make 2 more times and get back to you. I repeated the set of instructions twice. So I have already chained 1. Now make 5 clusters, that is cluster chain 1 5 times in the next chain 5 space. Sorry, you have to yarn over twice. So I have made once. I shall make 4 more times in this chain 5 space and get back to you. I have repeated the required number of times here in the next chain 5 space. Now since I made the DC here, I am going to slip stitch into the double crochet. If you had made chain 4, you should slip stitch into the third chain of the chain 4 that you did. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a treble in the same stitch. So this is 1 half corner done. Now chain 1, a double crochet between the 2 clusters. Chain 1, 1 double crochet between the next 2 clusters. Chain 1, 1 double crochet between the next 2 clusters. Chain 1, 1 double crochet between the next 2 clusters. Chain 1 and a 2 DC cluster, 2 trebles, chain 2 trebles. Sorry, in the next DC. In this DC. 2 trebles, chain 2 trebles. So I'm going into the double. So chain 1 double crochet, chain 1 double crochet, continue this pattern for the entire round. I shall get back to you when I complete. This is the second corner made, and place 1 DC each in each of the chain 1 spaces, and then next corner here again 1 DC each in each of the next chain 1 spaces. These are separated by chain 1s. So in the corner we are making 2 trebles, chain 2 trebles. So continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. We have come to the end of the round here. Now I have chained 1. Now complete the other half of the corner. So you have to make 2 treble and chain 2 and 2 trebles. Chain 2 and slip stitch to the 4th chain here. Alternatively, you can do the invisible join too. So this is just slip stitching here. And fasten off. Here we go. This is the Petite flower square. It's a small square, flower square. Hope you enjoyed this video, friends. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like and share the videos too so that it reaches the maximum number of crocheters. Thank you friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.